Hey there, I'm here to demonstrate our product Flowmeo. Till now, we were dealing with the contact centers such as Flipkart, Ola, Zoomcar, and some banks and also insurance companies. But there is need to think from a different perspective, that is business perspective, as business centers, because the customer we are targeting are new and unaware of the terminologies such as inbound calls, outbound calls, etc. So we are targeting CTE companies which are called aggregators. Aggregators or CTE companies are those which connects customers with service providers such as restaurants, electricians, etc. These companies are new business players. They are starting from a low number such as 50 to 100 employees. Since the company size is small, there are many competitors and it's important for them to focus on customer retention and less operational issues. Most of these companies don't have intact business flows, and also there is a need that they understand their business process and change it at the speed of change in customer trends and fast evolving business. Some examples of cities are PaperTap, Grofers, Food Panda, Urban Clap, and many more. So let's take a scenario for the company Urban Clap, which provides service providers like carpenters, plumbers, etc. to the customers. Coming on to the use case, we have a situation in which customer demands a service from Urban Clap, but due to high prices of providers, the customer cancels the request. Now, what happens at Urban Clap? At first, customer requests for a service, and Urban Clap provides him the list of providers with their prices. Now, due to high prices, he cancels the request. Urban Clap does nothing, and it loses the customer, and also a negative impression is set. Now, let's start again. Using our product Flowmeo, what will be the scenario? At first, UrbanCap will design its own business process for this use case. Now, when the service is requested by the customer, it goes through this new process. Now, when he cancels the request, an agent will call him to know the reason and he does some negotiation. If customer agrees, the agent tries to convince the provider. There is negotiation involved in both the sides. Now, agent confers the customer with provider to set the deal. Finally, doing this, customer becomes happy and Urban Clap can retain its customer. Now we will come to the part where we show what offerings do we have. So why Flowmeo? Flowmeo provides the company or CTE a tool to design its own business process according to the scenario. The company can visualize its own business process through the workflow drawings that will be drawn in our tool or designer. The company can customize its business steps of a particular business process using our tool. Flowmeo consists of a dashboard which shows data regarding the workflow. Comparisons can be made on these data on the basis of time, and this will be quite helpful for the business decision and strategy making. Now coming on to the Flowmeo components. What are the components which are actually shown on the UI? The, the first component is dashboard. The exact dashboard looks like this. It mainly consists of live data regarding total customers who have requested a service, total requests, etc. Also, charts are included in the bottom to compare the data of particular business step on the basis of time. The second component is form configurations. We have predefined form templates which are configurable and which are shown to the agent when a particular step is arrived. The third part is workflow designer. Here, our whole process is set using our tool. The left panel consists of the customer business steps, provider business steps, and the transitions. The right panel consists of the created steps. The middle panel shows the chart. Using this tool, you can design your own business process. You can select CT-based business steps to design your process easily. You can customize the business steps and take transitions accordingly. You can visualize your business drawing business processes through these drawings, and also you can play with them. And finally, you can have your workflow and you can implement your workflow in your business. Now we'll move to the product part where actual business process is designed for different scenarios.